All right, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check, please. Okay, let me know if my sound's coming okay by typing a one for me. All right, so let's say you are here. My sound and screen is fine. Just type a A for me. Okay, just type a A for me, so that we can start our section here today. Hello, Roslan. All right, thank you very much. As usual, thank you for support for joining me in this live Facebook session. So, I assume my sound is okay. So, all right, let's start with some of the stocks that we have today. Okay, just wanted to bring my pens up so that I can probably do some drawing over here. All right, thank you, Roslan, for your reply. Loud and clear. Thank you very much. Okay, so I believe today market continue to show bullish lah. So sometimes yeah lah. This kind of market sometimes a bit takut lah. Why? Because markets is not always going up one, right? Cash has been going up for some time already. So definitely I'm not going to all in. Okay, if you know what it means, I'm not going to use up all my capital. Of course, time to time, let's say I do see it hits my profit target, then I just take it. Okay, but good and bad lah. Sometimes you cannot try to maximize all the returns, but in the same time you try to protect yourself as well. Like Notion, I out too fast already. Okay, but okay also lah. As long as other profit, then for me that's fine. Okay. Panda, I think got some movement as well. We're gonna look into that today. Okay, so well, let's start with something that we talk about first. Okay, in our group chat. Today I post out this volcano. Okay, some things that belum jalan lagi. Okay, I hope because nowadays a lot of stuff jalan, right? So we want to look for something that belum jalan lagi. So I think one of them is actually volcano. Okay, looks very interesting. Okay, Avalan. Okay, look into Avalan shortly also. Okay, so what they do is that of course volcano actually they make a reversal with some volume actually happening at the bottom. Okay, actually I'm not sure what they do one. Sometimes when I try, I actually don't really bother what they do, lah, but it's good also right now you want to know at least what industry or sector you are in, right? Like for example nowadays the data center, they talk about AI, DC, so semiconductors they are coming back. So probably yeah lah. Nowadays I have to learn also lah. I need to know all these kind of thing also. So yeah, industrial product and services, manufacturing in nameplates, manufacturing and plastic injection more parts. Okay, so what this one probably later on I can look into it lah. So plastic related also. They are doing plastic related RGT Tech. Okay, RG Tech, Scambooth. Okay, SKP Resources Resin Tech. Okay, ATMS. So probably some of these are actually related as well. Okay, let's see. I got a bad experience energy. Energy for me I'm okay. But previously I got a bad experience in gold. That's why kali ini I tak ada gold. I don't have Pokemon, I don't have Tomy. Previously I got a not a very good experience in gold. Steel also kena few rounds, so that's why I not really looking into steel. But now sometimes like that lah. Uh, it take turns one must sectors, right? So sometimes this one goes out, like for example, this one go is very strong, but unfortunately I didn't. But all this why I prefer tech more. Okay, tech for me is more. Of course, based on current market structure right now, I think they are having the best so-called potential. Oh yeah, before I proceed further, just a quick reminder over here. First of all, I'm not doing any so-called buy and sell call. Okay, so if you want to do any trades based on our live Facebook or discussion in this video here today, make sure you have your own trading plan or get advice from professional. Okay, so again, I do emphasize like myself over here, I always have this support assistant to help me out to plan out my trades. Okay, so if you want to, you just go to XIFU apps to access to this so-called support assistant to help you out too. Okay, now let's go into Avalan, sorry, volcano before I go into your stocks. Okay, so now volcano for me, some things that I will probably watch out for in a few more weeks because right now my capital almost used up. I just want to focus my existing counter first. So reversal, high volume. Okay, so break up 2040s with high volume also, right? So here actually tested well with and yesterday and a high volume coming in again. Okay, so for me this is like a reversal breaking out with increasing volume and retest. Okay, so yesterday is like a pullback completes with potential sign of strength as well. Okay, so yeah, I think likely this one will continue to retest again. Okay, because currently this is the S1 dinner so-called resistance. The next one probably somewhere around this. Sorry, just let me draw nicely. Yeah, somewhere around this zone over here. Probably it will break, test here, and then try to go up further. Okay, of course, in between, we want to see whether there's any other so-called weaknesses or not in the chart. Like for example, Obsta, I don't think of weaknesses, so that's why I'm still still interested. In fact, I just actually entered yesterday, but of course, not trying to do buy call. Okay, let's go into Obsta over here. Okay, but Obsta got a big resistance also. So again, expect some time for them to cross. Okay, but the reasons why I like it because of the high volume breaking over here and retest. Okay, so yesterday, so 2 days ago, which is Friday. Okay, this candle actually is a candle that's showing that the support slowly coming in already. Okay, the support slowly coming in. So as long as they didn't break my S1, I think it's still fine. Okay, probably I'm still going to look into it. Okay, so this is quick roll for Obsta. So yesterday we also talked about Emulus. Emulus I haven't entered yet. Okay, but I will still try. Let's see today. Okay, because I'm also interested in I think Dr. Derek in our group mentioned about System as well. Okay, I probably will look into that as well. So Emulus, okay, so far in this first 30 minutes, low volume. Okay, low volume. So I think I do show as well. They're actually having two strength signal in this area also. So yeah, probably today also I will go on to watch out for Emulus. Systec, hi morning more. Systec actually I'm interested also because the volume, climatic volume, they cross up. So that is a good sign. Okay, if you ask me, that is a good sign. So today now how many percent? 3 to 4%. Okay, still boleh lah. Volume going up with the it going up with low volume. Okay, so here will be a small resistance, which is the S1. Okay, currently the S1 will be a small resistance. So if you look into the chart, I think it do make sense. Okay, so here previously it dropped, make a deep pullback reaccumulation, try to break back but fail. So this is a big shakeout with high volume. So let's say whenever you got high volume, again a simple rules supply and demand. So sometimes when drop with high volume, of course, first thing I would think about is that this is a seller volume because it's coming from downbound. But if let's say the price really goes up right now, this is not a seller volume anymore. Okay, of course, like I said, Dr. Derek do mention in our groups there. Then later I check with my friend also. Okay, I'm not doing buy call. I just want to share with you some information. Sometimes it's good to check few friends, right? The friends that share with me, Epicon, Vinastra. Okay, also told me that this one maybe got a bit of so-called chances. Okay, for them to test higher at the resistance. Okay, again, not sure. Okay, but again, info. We trade based on first of all based on chart pattern, chart setups. We trade based on our trading plan. Okay, hopefully you agree that. Okay, so if you ask me, Wong, yes, I'm interested. Okay, I'm interested. Okay, but my capital limited lah. I'm not sure whether I should go for MLs or this. But heard, but again, just info only lah. Heard next month got some movement lah. Heard next month got some movement. Okay, all right. There's Systec. Any other that we discussed in our group? Obsta, Systec lah. Those cut point MTech, your jaga sendiri lah. If you all follow lah. If the one, I leave up to you lah. Whether you still want to hold, still want to sell. Okay, because this one move up already. Systec I hold half. Okay, so I don't see any major weakness. Of course, the thing I afraid is that market pullback. Okay, but I think this one actually still got some potential to move. Yes, lots of so-called shooting star, but it's not a major one. Okay, volume is not that high, but of course, market pullback apa pun pullback lah, tapi cakap lah this one. So for me, this one I probably will still hold half. If let's say yes, they do a pullbacks later on, nice one. Okay, around 70 cents area. Probably I will relook into it and add a little bit back into these counters over here. Okay, so if you are following those MT, I think same thing. No weakness. Okay, but it goes up already. Again, if you enter previously, whenever we mention somewhere around here the strength signal, I leave up to you whether you want to hold on. Okay, but it already hits the R1 previously lah. It hits the R1 previously. Okay, the other one that I'm looking for is HE group. Okay, so this one I think last week I entered. Okay, again got two strength signals somewhere around here as well building. Okay, so hopefully volume still lag lah. Okay, volume still lag lah. So yeah, this one probably need to wait for a while. Wangta still the same. Okay, but I think Zantat also got some movement, but it's not convincing yet. Okay, but Zantat, Wangtel, actually their support is pretty good. Okay, they are doing sideways. Okay, so just to wait time for them to cross up. But anyway, I think I share also Zantat already exit already. Too many stop moving sideways, so that's why I just want to free up some of my capitals. Okay, but if you are those that patient one, you say that hey, I don't mind to, you know. Oh yeah, I think Wong also mentioned to me Zantat. Anju, I'll tell you into Anju lah. Anju lama tak tengok, so sometimes didn't check out already Anju. So well, let's see like let's say next round market pullback, they are still there. I got a bit of capital pullback. We look into it again. So but Zantat for me definitely is worth to watch out also. Any others, Wong, that we talk about in group? Sometimes I cannot recall. Sometimes we talk, then I do live Facebook also cannot recall. Too many stock. Zantat, I think not much, right? So few only, man. We talk about in our group. Okay, let's look into some of this stuff. Fiamma, or we look into some. Okay, Opstar just now I covered already. Yeah, pullback today drop a little bit below volume. Yesterday actually I just entered Opstar. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Oh, this one is on 17 May. Okay, but this one I thought I out it also lah. Okay, I out it also lah. Okay, shooting star high volume. Okay, let's see how it goes later on. But right now probably not. Signature. Macam mana already signature also lama tak tengok. Wow, this one I feel that still can go on around. Okay, but let's see whether they can pull back to 20 MA or not. Yeah, RG tag. Okay, RG tag. Yes. RG tag. Okay. No much today. Okay, still first hour low volume. Okay, but as long as low volume, I think okay. Nothing to worry about. Okay, this one I just hold. I haven't take partial profit because the mid not much. So I just hopefully it can cross. Okay, hopefully it can cross. Okay, so there's RG tag. Okay, now let's into some glove counters. We look into top glove and then Hata. Okay, then I look into some of my trick signal. Okay, trick signal wise currently I think PWF. I think Wong you asked me PWF, right? It appeared and text. Cepat. Okay, I do so cepat also in my pullback alerts. Okay, top glove yesterday volume remains low. Today nothing much. Okay, so I think started to build support around this area here. Okay, I still think that I prefer for them to touch 20 MA. Okay, I think so. Like I shared yesterday, call sign is the one that I feel more comfortable because they are the closest to the 20 MA. Okay, probably can use this gap as your potential support as well. Okay, and you can see also obviously the volume decreasing. Hopefully today volume is getting lower. Okay, if yes, then yeah. Okay, maybe got chance to have another round again of momentum. Okay, for Kosa or maybe the other glove counters. Okay, all right. So I think that's about it. Some of the counters that we have. Okay, let's do into PWF also and MSM and MYEG. Okay, now look into your stock first. If you got any other stocks you want me to look into, yes, type it over there. Okay, so that we can have some sort of discussion. Do remember help me to share this out. Okay, click the like buttons for me. Okay, to support this channel and have a daily live Facebook. Okay, our land. Tricky. First of all, I don't see any weakness. Okay, I'm not sure who is the one asking our land. Just now who asked already? Hong. Okay, not sure whether Hong's still here or not. So let's say Hong, you already entered already. It's good, okay, to take partial profit. Okay, I'm not sure where you enter. Okay, hopefully during this pullback zone. So this pullback area, if you enter, I believe easily 10%, right? So lost some profit, but at the same time, I don't see any weakness. Okay, of course, like I say, I'm not sure whether when pullback will happen because market's showing lots of good momentum for 4 weeks already, if I'm not mistaken. So expect a pullback might happen very, very soon. Okay, so that's for me. Now, if you look into background overall, I think yes, the setup, everything is okay. I like gap. Okay, a bit similar like all the Hub Sing they're still going up. Okay, MPHB all this is still going up. So trend wise is good. Okay, trend wise is good. Okay, but some of the things that I know here is that you're looking for long term or short term. This one I'm not sure. Okay, let's look into Anju. Let's look into Anju. Wow. Hmm. At very close with the resistance lah, very close with the resistance. That's the only problems lah. But if you ask me, the setup is cantik lah. Long term wise is cantik lah. Okay, if Wong you are looking for long term, but your PSC still kena one round already lah. This one this is the area sometimes a bit tricky. You feel that it coming but sometimes got if let's say got seller they sell again you going to wait again. I think PSC we entered last year somewhere around September something, right? You look into MTAG lah. MTAG also I think we entered around August September also. Right now only they are showing a bit of so-called activities. Okay, but if you ask me weekly chart wise, okay, weekly chart wise, those looking for long term one this one is also a nice accumulation stocks. Okay, downtrend, high volume. Okay, two high volume. First high volume stop the downtrend. Second high volume cross 2040s. Okay, followed by sideways accumulation. Okay, of course, momentum wise, we prefer cross here 1.25. Okay, 1.25. Then this one will be nicer. Okay, this one will be nicer. Maybe got momentum hit here, pull back, sideways goes. Okay, like Huatai. Okay, maybe like Huatai. Oh yeah, Huatai. Okay, Huatai can still watch out. I still look into Huatai lah. Pulse yesterday I just exit already. Okay, so there's Anju for me. Okay, for those that who are looking for long term one, I think yes, this one good to monitor. Okay, let's look into PWF. PWF yesterday got high vol. So this is on Friday, closing up. Okay, looks good. Okay, now this one also high volume on down bar. Let me zoom in. So we are using a segmented like Dialog, Dufu, P Metals, Systat. Okay, so high volume. Okay, whenever they cross, okay, usually it's a good sign. Maybe I'm not sure. They can be tried around this auto zone. Okay, but not much meat lah. From 90 cents to 1 ringgit. This is how much? Current price is 93.5 cents already. So to 1 ringgit, assuming 1 ringgit lah, not much. Okay, 7-8% probably. Okay, so for quick trades probably yes. Okay, but if to retest, okay, the resistance, I think yes, possible. Okay, P Trans, okay, P Trans and T Fibon, okay, Fibon, okay, for KC, sure. Okay, let's into MSM and MYAG lah. This is for Roslan. Okay, so again, Roslan, not sure you want me to look into weekly or daily chart lah. Okay, now look into daily chart. Okay, because weekly, I think weekly usually don't change much. Okay, the time, the so-called the setup didn't change much. Okay, if you look into weekly, but daily wise, okay. Now for those that who want to look for potential entry, okay, now this is a bit dangerous, okay, because this is the support now turn to resistance. Okay, so if let's say they keep rejecting here, like I say, probably the wash is still not over yet, or maybe they'll go slightly lower to try next support before they push back up. All right. So this down bar high volume, okay, is very important for me. For those that who are looking for momentum trades, you need them to cross up. Okay. For example, like what happened to Systat right now. Okay, you understand how to use the high volume down bar. If yes, type 1. If you understand type 1, if you don't understand how to use the down bar high volume, you type 2. Okay, probably I spend a bit time to explain that. Okay, let me know. Okay, so like I say, like Systat, previously I think I showed. So if you have followed my live Facebook since like last week or last 2 weeks ago, we talk about like Dialog, we talk about Dufu, P Metal, Tenaga, sorry, not tenaga. They got a down bar high volumes, right? Normally down bar high volume representing bearish lah. Of course, obviously it's bearish, okay, because it's selling bar. But okay, if the price close up, okay, or best is that they come with even higher volume, okay, which means this candle is not seller volume, it's a buyer volume, okay, which means that people are selling. Yes, people are selling definitely, but at the same time, this group of people are still keen interested. They come to buy it. Okay, that's what the price can push back up. Okay, so normally for me, this is one of the techniques to how to tell. Okay, is the if your stocks ada lagi operator tak. So okay, now maybe easy one. I'm not sure how dialogue doing right now lah, but this is one of the example. Okay, so here down bar climatic volume. Okay, down bar high volume. Okay, they cross up. Okay, then the price slowly goes up. Okay, which I think right now the dialogue still can goes up. Okay, again, not doing buy call, I think on it, but I might be wrong. Okay, later on. So example, so sometimes if you understand how to play along with the volume, how to look into volume, how to study the volume, yeah, roughly you know what is the stock actually doing right now. Okay, so especially for those that climatic volume got obvious volume one, it's really easy to tell and sometimes. So against this stack, okay, but I'm not trying to say that this is 100% correct. And sometimes you need to look into the overall market as well. Now market bullish, so it's easy for operator to do what they want to do. Okay, if let's say suddenly other country got war or maybe US drop badly, apa pun tak ada punya lah. Operator sometimes also feel so on. Okay, but yeah, looks like I said, yeah, this is one of the also good example, right? Okay, if I hide here, okay, if you look into this few area over here, right? This one down bar, okay, yeah, this one resistance also makes sense, So this one also and this one also, all this come with so-called down bar high volume. But let's say they cross successfully, okay, normally they still got some momentum. Okay, so this is how you wanted to use it. Okay, hopefully it's clearer, hopefully it's clear. Of course, this one sometimes take a bit of time to so-called recognize, practice. It takes some time also to do it. Okay, MYEG. Let's do into MYEG. So in short, okay, MSM short-term opportunity I think is a bit risky right now. Okay, if you want to enter, wait for some confirmation on strength candles. Okay, so MYEG hit resistance reverse. Okay, so luckily volume is not that high. It's increasing, but it's not that high. Expect some pullback because they have been going up sometimes already a lot and now hitting one of the main resistance. Right, hitting one of the main resistance. So I do think they might try retest 2040 MA. Right. Let me share with you this counter. I think it's very similar, but of course this one is non-Sharia. I'm not asking you to buy, but just that share with you some similarity. Okay, similarity. Okay, so for example, like Genting M. Okay, you know this is a strong resistance, right? This area. Okay, so sometimes what they do is that, okay, let me zoom in. So sometimes what they do is that they try few round. Of course, they do shake out as well. Drop below, push. Okay, like the MIG lah. They push up. Okay, hits double A, drop to 2040s, which is the support, and then try again. Okay, so this one might happen. Okay, so expect MIG probably have this kind of pattern as well. All right. So, but anyways, looking into Genting, I think Wong PSC interested in Genting. Okay, this one volume coming back with reverse. So I think this round they can try again resistance. Okay, so this is for Genting quick one. Okay, B Trans looking for entry and mirror. This is by Wong. Wow, looking for entry. Now, if you ask me, oh, you also in Genting M. I know Wong like Genting M. Previously got one round, but in Genting M, like I said, also not my favorite stock. Maybe because my very first stock I traded, also quite invested, is Genting, but it's not a good result. So this one I didn't enter anymore. Okay, let's look into P Trans. P Trans, you're looking for EP. Okay. Okay, let's look into fundamental first. Because I'm not sure whether Wong you're looking for long term, short term. Okay, if long term, maybe yes. Okay, Vygotsky F score is 4 out of 9. Not too bad, but it's not very good also. Okay, now let's look into weekly chart lah. Because okay, if I look into daily or midterm, okay, thank you for informing this. Okay, if I look into short term wise, okay, which is you are looking for like few weeks of time frame, I don't see setups. Okay, I don't see setups. Okay, this one is a bit like I remember this counter. Keep mine around E frame lah, EG lah. Okay, these few counters keep mine around lah. Sideway for years try to. I'm not sure lah. I heard still can jalan but operator yet to ready, or maybe they still want to do something funny. I'm not sure. Okay, so daily chart wise, no. Okay, for me, no setups. Okay, now let's do the weekly. Okay, because since you're telling me for midterm, okay, so weekly also they cannot hold above 24 days. Trend macam weakening, okay, trend not macam like it's weakening. Okay, now PST they almost form a VCP setup. Okay, but it seems like this one break below here. Of course, if you ask me, I prefer a better setup to trade But if you really want to or you entered already, currently is the best support. This is the best support that I can see right now. Okay, previously here one round, two. Okay, a shakeout here. Okay, so I say break here. I think slightly a bit dangerous. But one good thing about P trends right now is that luckily they didn't come with high volume when they drop. Okay, which means high chance this is a shakeout. Okay, high chance this is a shakeout. Okay, but let me remind you, this shakeout can take some times because previously they already jalan. Okay, they already jalan from this one how much? Yeah, let me go back to my daily. Where's my price bar? Okay, yeah, I think I hide it already. Where's my price bar? Okay, still not very familiar with my X chart. Okay, anyway, okay, so from here, 30 cents to almost 90 cents. Okay, so this is a big run. So normally big run, it's gonna take some time for them to do reaccumulation. So yeah, current support is the best support. Okay, so that's why I can see. Luckily, no high volume, so shakeout, but shakeout will take time. Can we use RSI for EP? I rarely use RSI, but to answer you, I think can. Okay, of course, the reason why I didn't comment much because I didn't use it. So I didn't use it. I don't comment whether it's good or not. Okay, but of course, a lot of people are using that for entry. For me, I prefer to use VSA, one spread analysis, then looking into the pullback areas or shakeout area for entry opportunities. All right. So okay, now I think okay now last one Fibon. Okay, we look into Fibon, then I look into some of my pullback signals. Okay, is there any stocks to look into? Wow, but can you see this one? Very illiquid. Very illiquid, I can see. Unless this is a good FA like you're looking for long term, is it? A bit similar like MPHB Capital when we trade that time. But I think MPHB Capital got more volume. Okay, 5 out of 9, not too bad. Okay, actually for the FA. Okay, this one I have to use weekly because daily no volume, cannot see anything. Wow, a big UT here. Okay, slowly going up. Okay, slowly going up. Okay, so maybe you can aim somewhere around this shooting star here, KC. Okay, so maybe here slowly we go up touch here. Okay, before another pullback is coming in. Okay, this kind of counter normally is they ride slow and steady like MPHB Capital. Possible, but here is a big shooting star, so maybe you want to watch out somewhere around this area. Okay, but it's a slow and steady kind of counters so expect but I think KC you are looking for long term for this. I think should be okay. All right, Fibon. So okay, now let's get into some of my so-called pullback signal. Okay, I have another screen. So yeah, Systec coming out today. Okay, still around 3 to 4%. Okay, volume still fine. Sanjin also keep coming out. Let's look into Sanjin. Okay, this one also going. SAM, okay, STEM engineering. Cross resistance or not? Belum lagi. Okay, but very close with resistance PWF law ada, and then cepat. Plantation coming back? No. Okay, very low volume. NTEX. Okay, I think NTEX so far is one of the goes up. How many percent this one? 7% already. Okay, so fast. Okay. Now this one also similar IP trends. Okay, don't expect them to cross so fast This one because from how much 60 cents, 60 cents area to 1 ringgit 20 cents. Okay, so this is 100% movement already. Okay, so 100% movement normally it takes some time for reaccumulation. Okay, again same thing. Okay, same thing. Okay, you all just look into the chart I think there's one setup that I just now mentioned. You all can identify. Okay, there's one setup that I mentioned just now. Okay, one setup I mentioned just now, which I think that these stocks can move higher, but they are moving higher already right now. Okay, hopefully can try the main resistance. Okay, can anyone here share me what's the setup? Okay, we just talked about the setup just now. Okay, I just noticed NTEX from my pullback screen. Just now, actually before I start, I saw it already, but it's somewhere around here. But now it's 7%. Okay, Wong, can you identify one of the setup that we just mentioned just now in this chart? Okay, or any other Casey? Like I said, this setup is very useful. Okay, but too bad I didn't realize until today. Okay, price above the rate volume drop. Yeah, correct, Ruku. Correct. Okay, how about others? Okay, now like I said just now, right? High volume candles, especially on Dow bar, again normally representing is a seller volume. Okay, of course, very obvious one. When we see into here, right, these two candles, right? So these two Dow bar, okay, but Dow bar small Dow bar, okay. Whenever they cross up, okay, so this is representing there is a good opportunity, okay, for them to move up higher because this bar potentially is the buyer volume bar. Okay, so thank you, Ruku. Okay, I think Ruku answered correctly from here. Okay, so yeah, this is a setup that actually you can try to spot. Okay, whenever you try to enter counters that maybe having a deep pullbacks or maybe a shakeout. Okay, let me know, is this useful? Okay, if yes, type 1, if not, type 2. Or maybe you're still confused, not sure exactly. I'm not sure what you're trying to share. Okay, type 3. Okay, Lee SK also coming back already, so then go into the resistance. Any others? I think so far NTEX I quite like it. Okay, but 7% radio. Wasco also going to R1 already, very close. Okay, Rosan say 3, confused. Don't worry from time to time I try to explain in upcoming section I will try to explain. Okay, ADB, I think not much today. Okay, so any other questions you want to ask me, or if not, we just end our section here today. Okay, any other stock, or we look into some top volume stocks. Top gainer. Okay, Bright. This one no volume. Oh, LGMS. LGMS actually I forgot. This one after I entered, I focusing other counters. This one suddenly I forgot and they jalan. Okay. Tenaga still moving. Oh yeah, still moving. Oh. Okay, actually I also forgot Tenaga. I just buy and keep. Okay, but like I said, I last 2 weeks ago I took partial profit already. Okay, still moving. Just keep first. Oga Bio. Wow, my God. So apa jadi? Got news kah Oga Bio? Okay, last one for Tommy lah. SCGBHT lah. Oops. Okay, SCGBHD actually, like I said also, I also don't know how to review. Going up, okay, moving along 20, I think is okay, right? But this one have been moving for some times already. So expect maybe something like MSM, okay, they touch 20 and then maybe, make a big ball sideways accumulation. Because this one have been running for some times already. Okay, of course, if you ask me right now, no weakness. Trend still good, no weakness, but yeah, I think soon they will have pullbacks, okay, coming in from this chart. Okay, so that's what I can say about SCGBHD. Okay, I'm not sure whether you are like one of my group members in my Telegram or not, Dexter. You're looking for FIFO or not. Okay, so yeah, like I said, no weaknesses. Probably stick around a bit. Okay, if let's say got weakness, probably I will share lah. Careful on something like climatic volume lah. Okay, careful on something like climatic volume. Usually climatic volume it will temporarily change the direction for a while. Okay, DUFU. Let's into DUFU. Okay, drop below volume, I think okay. As long as okay, now this here is okay. Let go back to the weekly chart lah. Easy to see lah, this one. So here will be your previous so-called resistance area. So as long as they are still above this resistance area, I think is okay. Now yeah, here got volume already. Okay, again, use the same principle. Use the same principle. Here got climatic volume already on down bar, right? So if probably 1 or 2 weeks later on, okay, they try to close up, okay, above this climatic bar, the down bar, okay, I think this one can go into the next resistance. Okay, I think this one can go into the next resistance. Okay, now Scientech, I think Scientech, okay. I forgot already. Macam ini lah. Again, I'm not sure whether it will say mono lah, but just give you some example. You try to watch out lah. Okay, here down bar ma. Okay, but they close up. But of course, sometimes they will drop lower lah. This one, like I said, I cannot promise you. Okay, due to plenty of reasons. Like for example, the big drop in US, war, all this will cause this kind of things happen. Okay, but whenever you got this kind of climatic bar, it's always good to try to watch out and monitor. All right. So I think like P metal pun ada kan, P metal because I still want P metal, but just that current price I still tak boleh masuk. This one here. This candle, right? High volume. They close up. Okay. So yeah. I'm not sure, but I think still got a chance for them to maybe try the PS resistance area. All right. So, all right. So I think with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this section over here. So as always, help me to click the like button, share. If you haven't joined my Telegram channel, just join there and the chat room as well, so that we can have more daily discussion in the group. All right. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you in the upcoming section because tomorrow's holiday. All right. So probably Tuesday. Thank you.